All right, guys. So I just want to talk about storyline as fast as I can and get to the point as fast as I can. So what's storyline? Generally, in SNR, storyline is direction. And we focus on direction using higher time frame bias, like the weekly, the daily. More often than not, the monthly is always excluded from our idea of storyline. So what's the weekly doing? What's the daily doing? That determines what we decide to do when we pick up our charts, especially during the week. But when it comes to intraday storyline, your H4 time frame is the most powerful time frame for intraday storyline. And what storyline generally? Storyline says that if you have an high time frame level, support level, right? And a resistance level. So let's say on the daily chart, you have a support, you have resistance rather, and then you have support. Direction or storyline says when price touches the daily level, you would almost always wait for rejection of that candle and then go to H4 and look for an H4 breakout. So if you get an H4 standard breakout, yeah, then that confirms your sell. So on the retracement, you can sell to the next daily level. Okay, price gets to the daily support, again, wait for rejection, and then price breaks, H4 breakout, confirms the level, and enter on the retracement. But the idea of this usage of storyline actually gives us a little bit of problem. So now what's the problem? The problem is the fact that sometimes when storyline is in play, there are other things that you can question. So for example, this was the daily time frame, or this is the daily time frame for this week. Now, coming into this week, this is a daily level that price just tapped. So price will go from daily to daily, right? This is daily resistance. So the next daily level you'll be targeting is this daily level. Okay, so daily resistance to daily support. So what do I need to get into this trade? So on daily, we saw this rejection on this daily candle. So on the H4, what do? I go to the H4 and wait for an H4 breakout. Where is my H4 breakout? This is the H4 breakout, right? This one. Okay. The price came into this level, give me H4 external breakout. Now, it means that immediately after this breakout, the only thing I want to do is to look for sales to the next daily level. And this is the next daily level. But interestingly, you see how much price just kept on dumping. Ooh, so much floating from this area, right? Just came all the way down. This is probably over 100 pips. Okay, see, over 100 pips. So if you are going to take any of this trade, the only reason why you could pick a trade from any of this area, right, is if price has retraced to this level, then you could have picked the trade. Oh, okay. But that did not happen. So our sell storyline, our bearish storyline was not confirmed on the daily. Okay. So this is the daily level. Okay, if you remember, that's the daily level. So price came into this daily level. What's the next thing to look for? Daily breakout, right? H4 breakout, rather. H4 external breakout. This one. Okay. This breakout, some people say, oh, it could be internal, so maybe this breakout. But after this breakout, you could actually have entertained this buy up from this H4 engulfing. It's not a full engulfing, it's a pseudo engulfing, but yeah, you have entertained your buy because of this HNS level. This one, okay? So you could have entertained that buy and then you would be in some decent profit off from Thursday. But again, what happened? Price came all the way into this retracement and then induced all these guys, induced them out. Okay. And then a crazy sell started. All of these are intraday. So when we come to talk about storyline, your idea of storyline should be framed by what the H4 chart is telling you. What is the H4 telling you? Okay. Based on what the H4 is telling you, you can make good decisions, good trading decisions. So for example, if I want to buy this trade, what do I need? Oh, this is H4 rejecting H4. So I need H1 breakout, right? So on the H1, do I get that H1 breakout? Yes, I got H1 breakout. Okay. So from anywhere within here, what will I be doing? I'll be buying. I'll be buying this trade. I'll be buying. Where will I be buying to? I'll be buying to the next H4 level. Why? Because I'm just H4 guy. I mean, I'm an H4 guy. Okay, I'm an H4 guy. So again, H4 level, all right? So go to H1, wait for H1 breakout. Now, is there any H1 breakout? No, there was none. So there's no reason to sell. Rather, what do we see? Price came to this level, tapped, and then buy continuation to the upside. Okay, So after that buy continuation, again to the H4 chart. Your H4 is your best definition for intraday bias. If you want to form a weekly bias of what the chart is doing, or a daily bias of what the chart is doing, sometimes you can check the daily chart, check the weekly chart. They'll give you an idea of what all of these things are doing. But you're an intraday trader. You came in maybe during New York, during London. You want to know what the H4 is telling you. And then if the daily agrees with the H4, that's double confluence. Okay, that's double confluence. For example, the sell off of this level was from a daily level. Okay, from daily. So this is daily. So that means we have daily equilibrium, daily H4 equilibrium. Okay. So if you get your confirmation entry, maybe an engulfing or somewhat from here, which is what we saw, as you can see, just from M15, see what happened. Price came back into this engulfing and then sold off. Right? Decent pips, over 100 pips. Sold off. You can frame your intraday bias just by following this intraday time frame. The H4, the H1, and M15. Okay. So what else do we have? For this current sell, what happened? Again, remember price came, induced all these guys, and took them out. Oh, my line is not showing it perfectly. See that? Took them out. Move. Crazy, right? What do I need to get into the sell? Again, M15. So your M15, very good time frame. So M15 gives you double engulfing. In fact, H1 also gives the double engulfing, double break. See that? So we broke at first. We have this, this, and then we have this. So what do we have? Price broke. Oof. Then you're happy. Price came back to this HNS, broken HNS. What do? You wait if you can wait. Okay. You wait for the rejection, and after the rejection, you can actually pick the sell. You can pick the sell, beautiful sell right there for you, based on intraday. Okay. So the most important thing that many traders want to know is not what market is going to do for the whole of the week or what market is going to do for the whole of the month. What most of us want to know is what market is going to do right now that I'm on the chart. Right now that I'm on the chart, what does the market have for me? Okay. Again, you see off of H4, you see price came exactly to this rejection candle, right? To the rejection area, tapped and then bounced. Again, to enter this buy, what will I look for? Again, I can look for M15, okay? M15 over and over again, and then I can enter all of this M15 engulfing, hidden engulfing. Very good trade, okay? So you are able to frame your setup based off what the market is offering you of the H4 chart. The H4 chart, again, is the single most powerful chart for an intraday trader. The H4 is the single most powerful channel for intraday trader. So if you're looking for intraday storyline, sometimes you see the market is selling. It's selling, it's selling. Why is the market selling? When I expect buys from the daily, you are looking at the wrong time frame. All right? Looking at the wrong time frame. Again, see this sell from here. It's priced to the low, to the high, came back, H4 level. So where will I go to? Let's see, M15 from H4. On M15, what does price give me? Something very beautiful. You see that? Can you see that beauty there? Something beautiful, 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 or see, engulfing one. So that's the first engulfing, and then second engulfing, that double engulfing setup. So I can pick this trade after just right here on this level. Can pick that trade right there. And where would my target be? Guys, never forget, H4, go to H4, daily, go to daily. Until that cycle is complete, your support and resistance is not complete. Support will go to resistance and resistance will go to support. So my target will be the next H4 level. Beautiful trade, 8-hour trade. Without having to use 3 pip stop or 1 pip stop. 8-hour trade on the day. And then you're super, super good. So people ask me, oh, how do I get into this trading fast? How do I get direction? How do I get entry? Simple. If you're an intraday trader, which I think most of us are, you have to focus on the H4 chart. You will also check the daily chart for confluence, right? Does this daily confluence what I'm looking for on the H4? Now, see again on the H4, see what we have here. See price taps this. Never forget, price will go from H4 to H4, taps the classic SNR level. Where do we come to next? We came to this gap level, right? Oh, we didn't touch that gap level, but I will assume that we came to this engulfing, hidden engulfing right there, okay? So into that hidden engulfing, so what happens next? Price taps. Again, where did we go to? The H4 level, okay? Came to the H4 level. We broke, good rejection, came to the H4 level again. And from that H4 level, it came to another H4 level. So for storyline to be complete, all of these things must be intact. So everywhere price reacted, based on the H4, you go to H1 to look for breakouts. Okay, so you see this breakout, H1 breakout here. So you could have entertained this buy and price came back here. So this is your trade, right? Okay, those are the things that you look for. Those are the things you look out for. H1 breakouts just right here. Price retraces, enter the buy and shoot. Boom. You're a shooter. You don't stop shooting. You don't stop shooting. Okay. So again, for this sell, as you can see, there was breakout off of this level. So this sell also from here is also your sell. So that's your trade. Okay. So you must be able to focus on what the H4 is doing and what the H1 is telling you, and your entry based on M50 narrative. Okay. So daily again, over and over again. You can always do this, rinse and repeat. All right. H4. See what price did? Price rejected off of that classic SNR. See H1. H1 gave confirmation for the sell. See that? So we got H1 breakouts. Breakout there. When price came back to this gap level, go to M15. Look for a reason to pick the trade. Now on M15, what do we see? Just tell me what you see. Oh my love, tell me what you see. M15, this is an engulfing fill, right? And also this is an hidden engulfing. So this is a direct entry off of the M15 level. Engulfing fill and hidden engulfing. So when price taps, this will be your targets. Easy targets. Ooh, simple. Back to H4. Never forget. Following the H4 narrative will put you on the edge. Will put you in good hands, especially if you're going to be in an intraday trader. And always confluence the H4 with the daily when you want to. Okay. Again, price came. See this tap move into this H4 level. Again, you can argue that it came into this gap level. So on the H1, what do you need? You need a breakout. You need a breakout. So your H1 breakout did not happen up until, sorry, your H1 breakout did not happen up until this level. Okay, that's where the H1 breakout happened. And so what happened when price retraced? What will you do from here? My friends, you gonna pick the trade or not? You will pick the trade. Buy continuations. Simple tricks. And that's why you can see that within this framework, you can pick buy, you can pick sell. You can pick buy, you can pick sell. You'd have picked this buy, right? Yep. This buy, then you'd have picked this sell. You'd have picked this buy, you'd have picked this sell. You'd have picked this sell also, you'd have picked this buy. While on the daily, all of this is a consolidation. Even on the H4 right now, it's just a consolidation. See, gold is just consolidating for a bigger move. Who knows when the bigger move is going to happen? I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to tell you that's a secret. I don't know either. So gold is consolidating for that big move. It's consolidating for that big move. But on the intraday, H4, H1, you're able to catch the trades you need to survive. All right, guys, if you have any questions, do let me know. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.